There was still joy today at the Fairy Creek protest site.
Absolutely euphoric. Celebration, joyous screaming. Yeah.
And while police have packed up much of their setup, signs today both sides are digging in. Logging crews created trenches to keep protesters back. Protesters tried to fill them in, leading to police warnings they still have power there.
Anybody going into that workspace will be interfering with the law.
But yesterday, a BC Supreme Court judge admonished some of the RCMP tactics at the site, including the way pepper spray has been used and officers covering badge numbers, saying there has been a serious and substantial infringement of civil liberties, including impairment of the freedom of the press. And while the judge acknowledged that damage would be done to logging company Teal Jones and to the rule of law, he felt he could not extend an injunction barring protests.
It's the first time in 30 years that I know of that there has been a refusal like this. The RCMP's misconduct has represented a threat to the reputation of the court, of course, but also it has really been stripping citizens of their rights.
Some say it's a wake-up call to police.
But I hope the RCMP learned from this experience where, in fact, when you're given the authority to enforce a court injunction, that you do it within the confines of the law.
The RCMP says it is taking time to reassess its role. Its union says officers have been patient and professional amid aggressive behavior from protesters, but the company is frustrated.
Teal Jones has got clean hands through the process. It wasn't us that caused the injunction to come to an end, but the damage is 100% on Teal Jones.
The company has already filed an appeal and says it will call on the RCMP if they see illegal activity. Susanna Da Silva, CBC News, Vancouver.